Going over the muscles of the lower extremity. The first is the iliopsoas, the psoas major, and the iliacus. Next, you're going to have the sartorius, which is the long strap-like muscle you see along your leg, the gluteus maximus, and the gluteus medius. Next, you're going to have the rectus femoris, and deep to that is the vastus intermedius. Lateral, you have the vastus lateralis, and medial, you have the vastus medialis. Now we're going to go to the back side of the leg to see your biceps femoris, which is lateral, and you have a long head, which is that, and a short head of your biceps femoris. The semitendinosus and the semimembranosus are medial to that bicep femoris. Now on the medial portion of your leg you have the adductor longus, the adductor magnus, the gracilis, and you can see the pectineus, which is just a small sliver there, as well as your adductor brevis. There's just a very small portion there. Next, we're going to have your tibialis anterior, which is on the lower portion of your leg. Then you have your extensor hallucis longus, and just deep to that you're going to have, correction, that is the extensor digitorum longus, and deep to that is the extensor hallucis longus. And in the front you can only see a very small portion of the extensor hallucis longus tendon, and the tendon hal is H-A-L-L is referring to your toe, which is where the tendon is extending to. Next, you're going to have your fibularis longus, or your peroneus longus, and your fibularis brevis, also known as your peroneus brevis. Now we're going to flip around to the back side, and you have two heads of your gastrocnemius, a medial and lateral head. And just deep to that sits your soleus muscle. Now, taking that off, you're going to have your flexor hallucis longus, it's feathered like, and your flexor digitorum longus, which is seen on that medial side of your foot. Your tibialis posterior, there's just a small sliver there in the back.